The Hobie TI cradle seems very susceptible to shock loads and cold temperatures. In my previous video I showed how to plastic weld the cracks. This involved a stick of ABS, steel mesh and a soldering iron. Unfortunately, the weld didn't all hold. Some cracks reopened. This was partly because the weld was not strong enough, and partly because that section of the cradle was unsupported and subject to excessive flexing. There was some new damage to the cradle that came from over-tightening a strap used to secure the cargo. I decided to mend the cracks by making some ABS glue. I obtained some MEK solvent. This stands for methyl ethyl ketone. I had an ABS rod which I cut into small pieces and added to the MEK in a clean jam jar. It took a while, but after about 2 hours the solvent had completely dissolved the rod into a thick glue. I could then use the glue to mend the new damage. I also put some of the glue into a large crack that had reopened in a previously repaired section of the cradle. Finally, I secured wooden blocks under the sections of the cradle that were flexing, and that would give them some more support, and hopefully there'd be no more problems with cracking.